Welcome back to Purely Nourished. Today, we're making a fun, healthy, and super easy treat. Homemade jelly fruit that's perfect for kids and adults alike. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of 100% fruit juice. Grape, mango, or mixed berry works great. 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, or agar for a vegan version. 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, optional, silicone molds or small containers. Step 1. Heat the juice. Start by pouring your fruit juice into a saucepan. Warm it gently over medium heat. Don't boil it, just heat until it's warm enough to dissolve the gelatin. Step 2. Add gelatin. Sprinkle the gelatin into the juice while stirring continuously. Keep stirring until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Add sweetener, optional. If your juice isn't very sweet, you can add a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Stir well to combine. Step 4. Pour into molds. Carefully pour the mixture into your silicone molds. You can get creative here, use fruit shapes, hearts, or anything fun for kids. Chill. Molds going into the fridge. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the jelly fruit is completely set. Final reveal. Unmolding and showing bouncy, colorful jelly fruits. And here's the fun part. Gently pop the jelly fruit out of the molds and enjoy your healthy homemade snack. If you enjoyed this simple jelly fruit recipe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Purely Nourished for more healthy and delicious ideas. See you next time.